تقرب منازلها إلا محب زايد أسسها واليوث وراها داروا على الدانات 7 أبد إلا دار زايد لا تقرب حماها لا تقرب منازلها إلا.
Welcome everyone with your program Peers of Union who embed the most successful story in person here in UAE. Today from Ajman City we need to speak about Sunrise Plastic Material Trading with the owner. Welcome Mr. We are so happy to meet you today.
Thank you very much.
So can you please introduce yourself?
See, I born and brought up in Kerala in India, and I studied in a school nearby house, and studied in NSS College, Changanassery in Kerala, India. And after that, I joined in my father's business. And after that, in 1997, I came in Dubai. After 21 days, I got a job in a construction company. From there, I worked in purchase department. I worked there around 8 years. After that, I joined in a plastic manufacturing company. I was working in sales department. 32 years I worked in that company.
So now we need to know more details about this company, Sunrise Plastic Material Trading, to know exactly what you have, like kind of material.
I started this company in 1997. And in a very small room I took it and start business. By the time I was working in that same company, one of my friends, he was also helping me to run the business. And after that, slowly I grew up like this, and at that time I was having only 2 persons as workers. Now I am having 8 people. Now it is because of the corona only, because since the last 23 years I am running this business. So it was good. Because of corona only, some slowdown has happened. And my sales people also stuck up in India. Because of that, I am struggling something.
Yeah. So, Mr. Now we need to speak about your successful story, your story here in UAE. Why you choose this country for business? What's the opportunity of work here in UAE?
Because all UAE government and Sheikh, Abu Dhabi Sheikh, Dubai Sheikh, Sharjah Sheikh, Ajman Sheikh, all their rules and regulations are very helpful for business people, and I am also very grateful to them. I started this business in 1997, and from that time onwards, I am getting very good help from the government, so I am very happy about it.
About your future plan, what do you think for the future now?
I am having my son. He is also doing a business, so he will join in this business and he will continue this one. And he is having another furniture manufacturing company that is in Malcoin. So that is also because of corona, all school closed now. That's why it is a little suffering.
From your side, Mr. We need a motivation message for all the new generation in business to give him advice for the business.
So the new generation and the business, very good business place in Dubai, in UAE, and Sharjah, Ajman, everywhere. Very helpful for the business people, and start business and try to get the money in time. And if you are giving too much credit, it will be very difficult to survive. So very careful about the business, and get a good business from getting too much cash from outside. Don't give too much credit.
UAE, this special country, after your experience and your period here in this country, what can say for all leaders and sheikh of UAE?
I am very happy for the new rules and regulations of the government and sheikh people, and I am so happy about them.
Thank you so much, Mr. We are so happy to meet you today, like a great example of a businessman. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Thank you so
thank
much.
you very much.
So everyone, thank you so much. See you next week with Pearls of Union with a new successful story.